I always tell people that healing is not linear, but I never thought of. Are y'all ready for the easiest makeup routine ever? Start with IT Cosmetics Do It All Foundation Balm. It gives just enough coverage and glow, but it applies super easy, and it's 92% skincare. So I love wearing this on a day where I'm not really doing a lot of makeup, just a lash and a lip moment. Buffs on beautifully. Put it on my eyelids as well, because we want that skincare everywhere. It is buildable. Sometimes I do a little extra on the tip of my nose, but most of the time I just leave it because I love the way it looks. The under eye, maybe a little extra. And that's it. Your foundation, done. Looks beautiful. Imagine if you didn't have all the skin variations and texture that I do. Right now, you're just glowing. Your skin looks perfect. Then Tilt Beauty lip liner. These glide on super easy. You can line your lips perfectly, but it's not only easy to hold, the pencil is easy to get it on your lip. And I am doing this lightly because I'm going to use a lip balm. I always line for definition though, because my top lip isn't really a lip. I think I feel a little self-conscious about it still, because I saw someone today say confidence is not linear. I always tell people that healing is not linear, but I never thought of confidence is not linear. It's important because some days are better than others. Tilt Beauty dessert menu lip treatment. So pretty, such a pretty natural brown for me. A soft mocha. And then little touch of color on your cheek with the same product. This is a lip treatment, not a lipstick. So it also has lots of skincare benefits and a glow. So you can just dab a little bit of color on your cheek. You could do this with any of the shades. Just have a matching lip and cheek. And it looks so pretty. It's buildable on your cheeks as well. So if you want a little more or a little less, you can do that. Then I grab a little bit of pressed powder just for my under eye. I don't like it to be so glowy. So I grab my Huda Beauty banana powder. I just kind of go into the spots that I want to glow a little bit less and that I want to blur right here. Okay, the real time that it took to do this video was 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Juvia's Place. This will keep everything on, especially when you're using a light, dewy, glowy makeup like this. Set it. Check your lashes. Perfect. I hear all of y'all saying you don't know how to do your makeup. Start here. Love y'all. Remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.